Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to our channel. It's Paul and Lisa here, and we're thrilled to take you on an incredible journey aboard the breathtaking Celebrity Apex. This wasn't just a vacation.
The Celebrity Apex is more than a cruise ship. It's a floating masterpiece of modern design, comfort, and innovation. We're going to show you everything: the ship's stunning features, deck-by-deck highlights, world-class dining, and the incredible... Our journey started with a Virgin Air flight from Clearwater, Florida to London. Paul flew first class, enjoying lie-flat seats, gourmet meals, and top-notch service. Meanwhile, I soaked in the comforts of economy with great in-flight entertainment.
Once in London, we stayed at the historic Cliveden House, where we had an incredible breakfast featuring fresh pastries and farm-to-table options. Later, we explored London, visiting iconic sites like Buckingham Palace, Covent Garden, and the Roman and medieval city wall.
We capped the day with a night at the Aldwych Theatre, enjoying the Tina Turner musical, an absolute must-see. The next morning, we headed to Southampton to board the Celebrity Apex. The boarding process was seamless and set the tone for the rest of the trip.
The Celebrity Apex is a true engineering marvel. Here are the stats that make this ship so impressive. Double occupancy, 2,910 tonnage, 130,818 gross tons length, 1,004 feet beam, 128 feet, draft, 27 feet, cruising speed, 21.8 knots.
This ship combines luxury and innovation in ways you've never imagined. From the industry-first magic carpet that hovers 13 stories above the sea to the tranquil retreat for suite-class guests, the Celebrity Apex offers something for everyone. Deck 1 hosts the Destination Gateway, a multi-purpose area that transforms from an embarkation hub to a space for shore excursion briefings and cultural immersion programs.
The theater on Deck 3 offers immersive entertainment with cutting-edge technology. For families, the Camp at Sea program provides interactive experiences tailored to younger travelers.
The Grand Plaza is the heart of the ship, a 3-story space inspired by Italian piazzas. Surrounding it are incredible dining options like the French-inspired Normandy restaurant and the Mediterranean-flavored Cyprus restaurant.
Deck 5 also features the Club, a multi-purpose venue offering everything from interactive games by day to live music and shows by night.
Accommodations on the Celebrity Apex are nothing short of spectacular. The Edge staterooms with infinite veranda redefine luxury, offering open-air access to the sea at the push of a button.
For ultimate luxury, guests at the retreat enjoy exclusive access to a private lounge, pool, and dining at Lumini. The attention to detail in these spaces rivals any 5-star resort.
With 29 distinct restaurants, bars, and lounges, the dining on Celebrity Apex is a culinary adventure. Highlights include the steak and seafood perfection at Fine Cut Steakhouse and the whimsical 3D dining experience at Le Petit Chef.
For more casual bites, the Ocean View Cafe offers a marketplace-inspired menu with live-action stations, and the Poolside Mass Grill serves up some of the best burgers at sea.
The magic carpet is both a visual marvel and a functional space, serving as a bar, dining venue, or even a tender platform. Meanwhile, the resort deck features a main pool, the serene adults-only solarium, and the lively rooftop garden.
The spa on Apex is a haven for relaxation, offering cutting-edge treatments inspired by nature. For those who like to stay active, the fitness center boasts state-of-the-art equipment and group classes.
took us to breathtaking destinations. In Scotland, we explored Glasgow's rich history and the quaint streets of Kirkwall. Iceland was equally magical, with stops in Reykjavik for the Blue Lagoon and Akureyri to see the majestic Godafoss waterfall.
And let's not forget the highlight, witnessing the Northern Lights. It was a bucket list experience that we'll never forget.
The Celebrity Apex exceeded all our expectations. From its luxurious design to its incredible destinations, this cruise was unforgettable.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you're considering a cruise, the Celebrity Apex is a game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite part of this video in the comments. Until next time, happy travels.